Hello, and welcome to the HBM Test and Measurement FAQ video series. I'm Krista Tweed, an applications engineer with HBM, and in this video I'm going to provide an overview of the perception software structure. In November of 2017, the perception software structure was simplified. This presentation will discuss how perception licensing works and the new perception structure. Perception uses a dongle, sometimes called a USB key, as license control. There are two types of perception licenses. Single-seat licenses are protected by a green dongle, and a network license is protected by a red dongle. The network license is sold in multiples of 5. For example, a 5-seat license, 10-seat license, and so on. With a 5-seat license, any 5 users can run the software at a given time. However, there is no limit to the number of times perception is installed. A network license is often used when there is a large group of engineers who analyze data, but not everyone runs the software at the same time. The dongle controls which options are active on the license and the software maintenance period. We'll talk more about maintenance later. The dongle is personalized in that the company name is programmed into the dongle. A dongle allows for easy upgrades in the field. If you purchase a new option or add maintenance to your license, HBM emails you a file that can be used to update the dongle. Perception can be installed on an unlimited number of PCs. To run the licensed version, simply connect the dongle to the PC. If the dongle breaks or is lost, HBM offers a low-cost replacement option. This table gives a nice overview of the basic perception packages. There are 2 versions of perception that are free: Perception Free Viewer and Perception Standard. Free Viewer is used to review a data file, place cursors on data, create a quick report, or export data in one of 3 basic formats. Perception Standard is the most basic hardware control package. It allows the user to control a single Gen series mainframe and review the data that is recorded. To get additional functionality in perception, you will need to purchase a licensed version of software. Perception Advanced is Perception Standard plus the basic options shown in the table. Analysis gives the user access to the formula database and the ability to do post-process calculations. Advanced Report gives the user both the report sheet within Perception and the ability to create advanced reports with Microsoft Word. Advanced Export expands the number of export formats from 3 to 26. Video Playback allows you to import a video file into Perception and synchronize the playback of the video with the data. Multi-Monitor, also called multi-workbooks, allows you to move Perception sheets into standalone windows so different sheets can be displayed on different monitors. Finally, the information sheet allows the user to record information about the test, such as serial numbers, operator names, location, so that it is saved with the data. With the November 2017 changes, Perception Advanced is now included on every Gen 3i mainframe. Viewer Enterprise is used to open data files and supports all of the analysis options found in Perception Advanced, plus the basic FFT option. The basic FFT option adds a spectral display to Perception so you can perform single-channel fast Fourier transforms on the data. One other important difference between Free Viewer and Viewer Enterprise is that you can open multiple data files in Viewer Enterprise. That allows you to compare data from different tests. The final package is Perception Enterprise. This package adds 3 additional options that are not available elsewhere. Multiple Mainframe allows Perception to control more than one Gen series mainframe. Sensor Database gives the user the ability to create a database of sensors and easily configure channels. And User Definer Mode allows test designers to control what features are displayed to test operators, so settings are not accidentally changed during a test. All versions of Perception ship as 64-bit software. We do, however, have a 32-bit version of Perception available for those not yet running a 64-bit operating system. In addition to the basic Perception packages, we have several application options that were designed for users performing a very specific type of test. The STL analysis option adds special functions to the formula database that meet the STL standard used in low voltage, medium voltage, and high voltage labs. This option now includes the high voltage, high power option that used to be sold separately. The high voltage impulse analysis sheet is designed specifically for labs evaluating lightning and switching impulses according to IEC standards. The eDrive option is a dedicated interface within Perception that allows for easy setup of tests for electrical inverter and drive systems. It includes pre-configured real-time displays and calculations and gives the user the ability to customize the calculations. The RPC-COM option is now included on every Perception license. It allows remote control of Perception so that it can be integrated into a test cell or control system. Finally, CSI, or Custom Software Interface, allows users to customize Perception for their specific application. Perception maintenance determines whether you are able to upgrade to a new version when it is released. If your maintenance expiration date is later than the software release date, then you can install the new version. If your maintenance expired before the software was released and you try to upgrade to the new version, the installation will not run. To find the maintenance expiration date of a license, go to Help About Perception. The dialog displays the serial number of the license and the maintenance expiration date. You can also click on the More button to see which options are active on the license. HBM typically releases 2 versions of Perception software each year. Any user with current maintenance can update and get access to any new features that are part of the new software. In summary, the Perception software is dongle protected. There are 2 free versions, Free Viewer and Perception Standard. Licensed versions add additional capability, and the application packages further simplify specific measurements. The maintenance on a license must be current to upgrade to a newer version of software. Thanks for watching. If you have questions on Perception or any other HBM product, please feel free to contact technical support via phone, email, or the HBM website.